That is awesome.
We have our first issue with this spoiler. Oh, there's a little bit of damage here. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to the TT build series.
Interesting one today. Kenny's bought a genuine carbon sorry. Kenny's bought a genuine carbon piece from China.
Yeah, now I've ordered the V6 style spoiler extension, but I really wanted the carbon ones.
Now, Maxton Design do their own V6 style spoiler extension, but they don't offer a carbon option.
Yeah, so I decided to take the plunge and see if it's actually any good.
Let's get to the unboxing. We fitted the Maxton Designs spoiler extension on your Mark II TTRS.
We did.
And we were very impressed with the fitment and everything. So the risk of getting stuff from China
comes from China,
as we all know, is the fitment. The development doesn't go into as much, so the fitment is never always spot on.
Yeah, this is it. No, the Maxton stuff is absolutely brilliant. I was going to buy that one, but I really want the carbon.
Yes.
So yeah, this is why I
don't
got
blame
this.
you. This is how it comes from the wonderment of China.
Bar the dog marks, because Bruce always attacks things when I bring them through the door. He's on the box. So
See,
yeah.
no, my spoiler that I ordered from China came almost snapped in half. Luckily
it?
that the spoiler was okay, but the box was mangled. So this is nice to see.
It was, yeah, it's in pretty good piece. Apart from
How long did it take? That's one of the main things coming from
I
China.
ordered it in between Christmas and New Year. Actually, Jenna ordered it for me, so it's a big thanks to her for buying me car parts for Christmas.
Yes.
So it took about 2 weeks. Just over.
I suppose you've got to take... That's really good, considering you've got to take into account it came from China during Christmas.
I wasn't expecting it until February.
That's... Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, they said on it February, like the first week of Feb. So, yeah, it's
These days, it seems to be the way the world's developing and stuff like that, even stuff from China, everything, it's getting better and better. So it's...
Overnight parts from Japan.
Overnight parts from Japan.
Well, ish.
Right, so yeah, this is how it comes. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
I want to see this. I'm so looking forward to this.
You haven't seen it yet, have you?
No, I want to see if it is genuine carbon.
Yeah, you watch, it's wrapped. Well, it is wrapped. You know.
Wrapped very well. But if that's fake, that's a very good fake. Oh, no, that's
so light as well.
That is awesome.
It's nice, actually. There's not much.
The weave looks very consistent in fin. Again, what I've learned from cheaper ones is the weave can be a bit all over the place because they don't really care. What is it with carbon that just makes petrolheads go? Ooh.
I know, innit? Oh, there's a little bit of damage here. No, is that sticky or damaged? I think it's a little bit of damage. But once again, to be honest, I'm not too bothered because you're not even going to see that because it's up underneath.
So with the TT, obviously, if you're watching this, you probably know, but they do come, most of them come with a little lip spoiler, and this literally attaches onto the spoiler.
They should come with that because they were recalled for that reason of them actually going off the road.
Which is crazy.
It's insane.
Which is why now the factory non-spoiler ones are a lot more sought after. Even though they're more dangerous, they're a lot rarer, aren't they? So
they are, yeah. Mainly America, I think.
Yeah.
You find them.
So this is not removing it, this is literally a spoiler extension. So this is the first fitment.
First mock-up. Oh. Ooh.
There we go, install done.
Done.
Whoa, that looks really cool.
Got some duct
wow.
tape? Got some duct tape?
Yeah. That's how we do.
Oh, man.
Do you know what? I didn't think you'd be able to see much underneath, but because of the way it's sat.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Wow.
Wow. Happy boy?
I am a very happy boy.
Right, let's see if it goes out. The fitment? What were you saying about the fitment?
It looks pretty good so far. Sorry, there's a couple of marks on here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know if that's adhesive or something. I've just tried scratching it, but I think it's lacquer.
So yours came in a mint box and it's scratched. Mine came in a battered box and mine's mint.
So there we are. If your box is knackered, you've got a good spoiler.
Or just throw it down the hill for a bit.
Yeah.
And, you should be fine. Right, so the next thing is obviously it comes with the
3M double-sided adhesive tape.
Yes.
So it's nice and thin. It's all pre-cut, which I'm quite surprised with because usually it just comes with a roll.
That's right, yeah.
And you've got to do your own. But first things first is prep this spoiler so it'll take this adhesive because it's got to have some sort of heat through it. But the good thing is today we got sun.
For once.
And if you feel that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So I'm going to pop this on here just so the adhesive gets some heat.
As we said with the previous install, heat is your friend because of the adhesive and stuff like that. You want your mating surface ideally to be a bit warm as well, just so it grips onto it. The install is simple. You've just got to take your time with it.
Like I said, it's prep. Prep is the main thing.
Yeah, which is the same with everything. So
I'm going to clean that off, yeah.
Yeah, get clean and get the tape off. Yeah.
Isopropyl alcohol obviously cleans any contaminants that are on there, polish or anything that's going to stop the adhesive from sticking. And obviously with polishes and stuff, you don't want them on there, so...
Yeah, don't clean your car before doing this.
No.
Or don't wax it at least.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'll just don't do the spoiler. But yeah, just wipe it on.
Just don't buy a TT.
Job
done. Surface is obviously prepped, so the next thing is prepping the part itself.
Yes, so we got to take all this stuff off. Now this stuff is a nightmare.
No pressure, come on. This video's going to be about 3 hours long.
I was just going to say, can you edit it? Edit all this out. And now we're ready to go.
3 hours later.
It wasn't that long. It's not full. Right, so we need to get that.
Usually you go in with absolute precision. You just dove straight in with this, fair play.
Yeah, I don't think there's much more you can really...
No. There's only so much.
To be fair.
Wow.
Yeah, obviously you need to apply pressure.
Oh, wow. Yes, with any adhesive, yeah, just put it into place. You do only sort of get 1 or 2 tries at this, but you just dove straight into that, didn't you?
I did, yeah. I was going to say to you, grab the one side and angle it, but it's just, all I done was like prise the spoiler apart slightly and just
Good thing, because I'm the cameraman.
That's true, that is true. Everyone knows that as well. Right, there is a little gap there, but I think that's normal.
Again, you really going to notice that?
No, you're not.
Not when you've got your crazy graphics now, but no, that's, wow. That's insane. That's a big booty.
We
the
like
way the
that.
sun's hitting it as well. Yes, what are we thinking?
I love it.
That's
Absolutely
awesome,
love it.
and it's crazy how much a little bit of carbon can
It's only like
transform
when you see it and you think, oh, it's only the little spoiler extension, but I think it really does work. It's definitely something that I would recommend.
Yeah.
And something I really wanted to do since I've had the car.
Yes, I remember you saying about it, yeah, before we even got it home, I think.
They do the V6 rear diffuser as well.
Yes.
Now, it's £100 for a honeycomb run, which does look great.
Buy it.
Sir?
No, I'm not paying for it, buy it.
I'm really thinking of like 40 carbon wrap in that for now.
Yeah, definitely.
Just to see, obviously, a bit of contrast. So, because it is nice, obviously, with that section done in. It looks more like a diffuser.
I would say for the money and what we pay for this, I think we'd...
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Let's have a summary once he stops playing around.
Sorry, yeah, I'm just checking. You've got to apply pressure with these to get the adhesive working, so that's all I'm worried about. So after about 2 weeks, 1 drive, it's only once this car's been out, we have our first issue with this spoiler.
This is the downside of buying cheaper stuff.
It is. Now, obviously, the spoiler quality is good. It's the actual adhesive they send that's stuck to the spoiler. So,
which is ironic, because everything you fit, you always say invest in some 3M stuff. But we did want to do it as a full product review. This is what comes with it. But
what usually happens when you buy these, they usually come with a roll. So then I just use my own. But this already had a pre-stack, so that's why I just thought, oh, we'll give it a go. But yeah,
we do have a fix. It is simple, so let's rip it off.
Let's get this one off again.
So it came off the car way too quick, and that's obviously what.
But you can see, like, it's come away from the spoiler itself. So either the spoiler area wasn't prepped properly.
So I would we'd still recommend the spoiler, but what we would recommend is what Kenny always does: buy some proper. We recommend 3M. I'm sure there's other brands out there.
Yeah.
But just get a decent quality adhesive so your carbon fibre doesn't go walking down the street.
Yeah, you don't want that.
So we prep the surface of the TT spoiler. Obviously fitted the new genuine 3M tape.
Yeah, no, I would recommend that before you even fit this. Peel that old crap off, get some good stuff, stick it on, because you don't want £110 spoiler buggering off
down the motorway.
Yeah.
So we do highly recommend anything like that. Put the genuine 3M stuff on. Yes. We did film the intro before this happened. Outro. Yeah, I'm still half asleep. Right, so we'll cut to the outro. This is my favourite part of the video. This is where we upset people by saying I actually recommend something from China.
Yeah, me too. No, yeah, even the quality is not too bad. We have noticed a couple of slight blemishes in maybe the lacquer.
Yeah, I didn't know if you'd be able to pick it up from there.
Yeah, I've just cleaned it a bit. So
again, it's the risk you run.
Yes, totally.
I would say no, you're not going to ever get one overnight, but if you can wait the couple of weeks, it might even be less, because like you said, you ordered it over Christmas.
Yeah, I did, in between Christmas and New Year. So.
If you can put up with that, I mean, the fitment, for the money, I would be happy with that. You're more fussy than me, and you said you're quite.
I'm happy with it. Yeah, it's a little bit it's probably like 2 mil gap difference, but I am really, really fussy with stuff like that. But once again, I am really happy overall with the spoiler. It does look fantastic, especially from this angle.
It does. It's just a great addition. It's not in your face. It's not.
I'm in your face.
I just think I think it works really well against the silver as well. It looks.
Yeah, it does. Doesn't it? Like really obviously good. With black with carbon, I think it does hide it a bit. But yeah, don't get me wrong, still looks amazing.
Carbon works with anything.
But yeah, I just also once again massive thanks to Jenna for getting me that for Christmas.
Any girl that buys car parts is okay in my books. Yeah. But no, I'd say that pretty much sums up the video. We would actually really recommend it.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, for the money, for the same price as any other V6 star spoiler, do it.
Go carbon.
You know you want to.
Yes. No, we've got plenty more coming with this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
Boom! Carbon's really good.